Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, let me continue with ongoing live testimony of civil justice process displaying scandal of Vatican Satan teams, and to be in same page, I am providing excellent supreme civil justice to be served to entire human kingdom, entire animal kingdom, entire plant kingdom, and all nations across the globe worldwide. So, as I said, as I've been already educating, just celebrate being aware evil satanic forces will be gone without a trace in ashes. As of today, January 2021, there must should never be any injustice of any variations or versions worldwide, and saddest reality is injustice is there across the globe in different versions and forms and avatars. And that is why civil justice must be served now, and I am providing excellent supreme civil justice to be signed off and closed without any delay. I only know what is justice and what is never justice. So I am that I am born to save the world from evil satanic forces, dark ages of Rome, and that is why all nations, USA nation, all governments worldwide handcuffed by me is happiest. Is the wisdom. I am the rock that is anchored in oceans, and be still and be known is the wisdom of education that I am is born to save the world. There should not be any disturbances when I am providing complex task of providing closure sign of civil justice process worldwide. I don't know about my peers worldwide. I have blood cells that is colored in red, okay, and I do not like injustice, and I am not ashamed to say loudest that I do not like injustice. Okay, so with that said, let me continue with the testimony civil justice process. Okay, so this testimony is about deadliest crime of Antichrist, Lucifer, Satan, Pope Francis created, Roman Egypt Empire, crucifixion, shame process, mandate, classification type, Pope Francis, Satan created, domestic violence, slavery types worldwide in different versions and variations across the globe to mandate, enforce, torture to innocent civilians worldwide to create injure to the innocent civilians human brains worldwide per age per head count. The type and the types of deadliest replica is created by Pope Francis Satan as a code of abuse law is a proof of deadliest Holocaust Nazism classifications worldwide created for the tax mandate process, a tax hell mandate process across all the nations across the globe with fatal negligence. Okay, so public awareness is all nations and USA nation as of January 2021 must never have, should never have any domestic violence of slavery of any type and any versions and any forms and avatars or variations. And Pope Francis, Satan, Lucifer, Antichrist, Republica, Jesuits mandated, enforced deadliest crime, domestic violence, slavery types, tax mandate, hell process, code of abuse law of Vatican hell creator worldwide, and destroyed humanity with fatal negligence and enforced human brains nerves damages worldwide for fellow mankind, as in 7.9 plus billions of humans brains have been injured, damages have been provided beyond repair, and civil justice must be served now without any delay. So I will provide civil justice in parts for easier, layman, user-friendly, being a humane wellness standards process using ethical standards. Now, in disease life cycle, always disease creator is the highest at fault and never innocent always, and classified as a wild endangered human species and disqualified to live in this earth. Okay, that is the basic public awareness of birthrights that the civilians should know. In an entire disease life cycle, only the disease creator is the at fault and never innocent and disqualified to live in the earth, holy planet earth. Okay, because as long as they are considered as a humans and using the planet earth, they should not they do not have any birthright to create any disease of any types. Okay, so that is why there is a disqualification process also that needs to be identified in a civil justice process. So, one more time I would repeat, okay, in disease life cycle, always disease creator is the highest at fault and never innocent, always, forever, and classified as human endangered species, disqualified to live in earth based on the severity of the disease, and the death penalty is the highest healthiest humane wellness process is the birth rights and awareness that each civilians must be aware of excellent healthy death penalty process meeting humane standards. Okay, so there is a healthy death penalty process and unhealthy death penalty process. I do not want to talk about the unhealthy death process because I do not have time, because I am providing a civil justice process, and that must be provided immediate mode, right? So I have to concentrate only on what is needed, just enough needed process to sign off civil justice. That is what I'm concentrating on without losing any focus. So that is why there should not be any disturbances to be provided to me. Okay, so absolute monarch Satan's only created domestic violence, slavery for tax mandate process and for only fanatic love of crown. So death penalty in volcano in Hawaii is the healthiest human standards, excellent civil justice process closure signed off now by me, the supreme civil judge of all nations worldwide, and it is a guidelines as in provided as in holy book of life. Okay, and absolute monarch Satan's, Pope Francis, Jesuits, Queen of England, religion creators, etc., not written in Holy Bible. So I call out by name who should get out of the earth now, immediate, effective now, starting with Pope Francis, Queen of England, Elizabeth II, etc., to the USA government. And the USA government only should provide the death penalty to the Satans who are creating hell services worldwide. Okay, and that way USA nation gets the highest honor in the nation for providing the death penalty, because the wisdom is to provide a death penalty to the true criminals is also a blessing, right? So I am giving that blessing. I should be doing that, but I am giving that highest honor and the blessing to you as a nation to do the task immediately. Okay, so one more time, United States of America will provide death penalty to the absolute monarch Satan's teams that created deadliest health services worldwide to torture innocent civilians worldwide, and also for destroyed national operations worldwide. And it is a deadliest crime to damage a national operation, right? So that is why death penalty should be provided. So I do not want any civilians to freak out. Oh no, why Pope Francis is getting the death penalty like that? No, please be quiet. Do not get panicked. Okay, I am providing the healthy civil justice process, and it is all for good. Okay, so just be calm, patient. Okay. So I will provide the civil justice process. So civil justice part A is Pope Francis Satan should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever for Satan Pope Francis created domestic violence, slavery and types worldwide to damage human brains, nerves, cells, with enforced pain and agony inflicted on the innocent civilians worldwide, and that is why the crime is deadliest. Okay, and Pope Francis and the team should not be living in the earth is also the healthiest wisdom, and however absolute monarchs are allowed to live free, tax free in palaces is another $1 trillion of deadliest crime. So again, one more time, just be aware, United States of America is handcuffed because it is at fault and found guilty in all counts of crime, deadliest crime of absolute monarch. So I can only provide the healthiest civil justice worldwide correctly, accordingly. Okay. So then The extended civil justice part A processes. Babylon Empire must should pay tax-free 500,000 trillion dollars to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis created domestic violence, slavery, and types to damage human brains worldwide. Then the Greece Empire must should pay tax-free 500,000 trillion dollars to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis created domestic violence, slavery to damage the human brains worldwide. Then Persia Empire, as of today, is called as Iran, and Afghanistan must should pay tax-free 500,000 trillion dollars to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis created domestic violence, slavery to damage the human brain nerves worldwide daily forever. So then the Egypt Cairo Empire, as in Giza of Pyramid, and Islam Judaism, the Hell Mandate, World Zion Organization, headquartered in United States of America, the Great Babylon, then the United Arab Emirates, then the fake Israel leader, then the Western Wall, then as of today is called as Oman, Syria, Turkey, Istanbul, the Ottoman Empire, Iraq, as in is all each and all Islam nations worldwide, as in Europe nations, Eurasia nations should pay tax-free 500,000 trillion dollars to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis only created domestic violence, slavery. Then the Roman Empire, the Great Babylon Empire, as of today is called as the Europe nations, as in London, Prague, Poland, Czech, then the Warsaw, Australia, Austria, New Zealand, Denmark, Sweden, Spain, France, Germany, etc. And Europe Babylon version is only United States of America as of today, and Las Vegas, Sin City, built by Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer. Pope Francis, the creator of Las Vegas, Sin City in USA, should pay tax-free 500,000 trillion dollars to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis only created domestic violence, slavery with fatal negligence to enforce damages on the human brain nerve cells worldwide. And Holy Bible per each word times total words in Holy Bible per version of Holy Bible times total versions of Holy Bible per spoken language types written Holy Bible worldwide should pay tax-free 500,000 trillion dollars to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis created domestic violence, slavery with fatal negligence to enforce brain nerves to be damaged for fellow mankind worldwide daily forever. And each rosary bead, Roman Catholics providers of rosary services, as in each rosary bead times rosary life cycle process times total rosary population per Roman Catholic statues worldwide should pay tax-free 500,000 trillion dollars to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis created domestic violence, slavery, and field workers of Satan, Pope Francis, as in Illuminati, the Satanic organization field workers should pay tax-free 500,000 trillion dollars to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide and daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis only created domestic violence, slavery to damage the human nerve cells of fellow mankind worldwide daily forever as a process of tax mandate law. Then the Opus Dei should pay tax-free 500,000 trillion dollars to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis created domestic violence, slavery to enforce and mandate and then create brain damage, nerves to be destroyed for fellow mankind worldwide with fatal negligence as a process of tax mandate law. as in code of abuse law of Vatican. Then the Freemasonry or Masonry should pay tax-free $500,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis only created domestic violence slavery to damage the human brain nerves of fellow mankind of entire human population worldwide daily forever as a process of code of abuse law of Vatican created tax mandate process with fatal negligence. Then Council on Foreign Relations as an entire software world and entire entertainment and media world wide as in Hollywood, Disney, Pixar's, Oscar awards like and sports media and magazines media, anything that comes under the umbrella of media entertainment world should pay tax-free $500,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis only created domestic violence slavery to damage human brain nerve cells and to increase the pain and agony inflicted on the brain nerves of fellow mankind to be increased exponentially worldwide, to be tortured daily just for Pope Francis, Vatican Jesuits, Holy Highness, God of USA created tax mandate process model. Then the international bankers worldwide should pay tax-free $500,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis created domestic violence slavery to damage the human brain nerves cells on creating pain infliction with the finance disability, financial debt, and foreclosure of any types and etc., as in to enforce poverty, meaning to enslave the entire population with the chains of finance disability is mandated, also classified as tax mandate, Jesuits abuse code of law process model. Okay, then the mafia, the criminal arms on the Vatican military of the Vatican, Pope Francis, the God of USA, should pay tax-free $500,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis created domestic violence slavery to create brain nerves to be damaged for fellow mankind daily forever with fatal negligence. And it is also created for the brain damage nerve services is created only for exclusively for tax mandate process of Vatican health creator. Then the Club of Rome of Vatican, organization of health service providers, must also pay tax-free $500,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis created domestic violence slavery to damage the human brain nerves worldwide. And for I am displaying all the deadliest crimes of Antichrist, Lucifer, Satan, Pope Francis to USA government. Civil justice served right now immediately is Pope Francis must resign effective immediate abruptly and must be waiting on the waiting list for death penalty in volcano in Hawaii, and I can provide all the guidelines later for that, how to provide the death penalty in a healthy humane standards way as in guidelines as in Holy Bible. Okay, and then I become Vatican leader with salary of $250,000 per annum to provide patented design solutions task to fix all the broken national government services worldwide in next 5 years and beyond, and I can also quit early as needed. And I become Global Chief Supreme Civil Judge of USA and all nations worldwide, and I become Global Supreme Chief Medical Director for all nations to lead Center for Disease Control worldwide across organization and medical services, welfare services worldwide. For I am displaying deadliest Lucifer and Antichrist Pope Francis teams to USA government. I am the only one eligible to be Chief of Police General to lead entire police, FBI, CIA, National Intelligence, Pentagon, military types as in Army, Navy, Marines, Navy SEALs of each national military services worldwide for all nations. And Repent Building and Lord Repent Building in Tamil Nadu. I want to put that in double quotes and underlined with bold, okay, bold format. That the Lord Repent Building in Tamil Nadu should be renamed after my name, and all nations will thank me infinite later. Then the civil justice part B is each absolute monarch's faces of Pope Francis across the globe worldwide, as in Egypt Pope, Greece Pope, Russia Pope, Sicily, Italy, Archbishop and Co-Prince of Andorra and Spain, then finance leader the France leader and co-prince of Andorra and Spain, then Queen of Elizabeth II, then Islam leaders of Organization of Islam Cooperation, then United Arab Emirates leaders, then World Zion Organizations headquartered in United States of America, then Dalai Lama, then Guru Nanak, then Yoga Gurus, then human guards addressed as Pharisees should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever for Satan Pope Francis created domestic violence slavery. And civil justice part C is each Satan Roman province Jesuit leader in all 50 states of USA should pay tax-free $500 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever for Satan Pope Francis created the domestic violence slavery. Okay, and civil justice part D is President Trump, President-elect Joe Biden, then the Republican government, GOP, Congress, House of Representatives, Senate, Speaker, and Democrat government, as in Democrat GOP, Democrat Senate, Democrat Congress, Democrat House of Representatives, then the 50 state governors and mayors, then the each Roman Jesuit province, region per state in United States of America, then the Supreme Circuit Court judges and Supreme Judges of USA, and then the Harvard Medical School, then Harvard Law School, then Center for Disease Control, then worldwide World Health Organization should pay tax-free $500 billion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever for Satan Pope Francis created domestic violence slavery to enforce and then mandate and then only to create pain, deadliest pain and agony inflicted on enforcement on the brain nerve cells of each human times total human population worldwide daily tortured with the tax mandate process created by Satan Pope Francis. And civil justice part E is faces of Republica, Antichrist, Lucifer, Satan, Pope Francis, and paganist and Pharisees, as in Pharisees means they are humans, they themselves will called as a human guard worldwide, and they can do any destructions to the national operations and nobody can ask the Pharisees. Okay, that is the Pharisees, and they are the one of the root of the true crime to create to create the real scope of tax process model. So they are the one who provides all the design, all the the Satan service providing designs process to create how to create tax mandate process inversions worldwide to damage the human brains worldwide. Okay, so that is why the Pharisees are that entire process organization is called as a Pharisees for an easier education. So, phases of Republica, Antichrist, Lucifer, Satan, Pope Francis, and paganist and Pharisees, as in Christian evangelicals of any type of population worldwide, then church pastors worldwide, and church pastors and types of each denomination worldwide, then Christianity diocese per denomination worldwide, and archbishops and bishops and deacons and lay preachers and Roman Catholics fathers and Roman Catholic nuns, then Ceylon Pentecostal Christianity and the Ceylon Pentecostal church pastors address themselves as brothers and sisters, and then Scientology, then Amish, then Assembly of God, then Baptist and types, then Methodist denomination and types, then Lutherans, Evangelical Lutherans and types, denominations, and Seventh day Adventist, then the Pentecostal and types, then the Presbyterians or Protestants, then the Christian evangelists, population worldwide, as in USA, late Billy Graham, etc. Then non-denomination types and each church facility and types and each statues in earth worldwide and in each Roman Catholic cathedral facilities as in St. Peter's Basilica in Rome, Vatican, or Notre Dame Cathedral as in France, etc. like that, or a cathedral in Russia, or cathedral in France, or cathedral in Poland, or cathedrals in Middle East Asia or East Asia nations like that. And then the non-denomination or denominations worldwide should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis created domestic violence slavery to enforce and mandate, and only then to create deadliest pain and agony inflicted on human brain nerve cells to be damaged worldwide daily forever. And it is all created for tax mandate process of Satan, Lucifer, Pope Francis. Then Islam, Judaism, as in Sunni Islam leaders, imams, then the halal prayers and the kosher prayers, as in Judaism, then the 12 caliphates, as in Muhammad the father, Fatima the daughter, as in Sunni Islam types and versions and variations of caliphates or denominations created exclusive for tax mandate process. Then the 14 caliphates, as in Muhammad the father, Fatima the daughter, and Ali the son-in-law, as in 14 caliphate types and variations across the globe to damage the human brain nerves worldwide daily as a process of tax mandate law. And then there is a Sharia law, burqa, hijab, clothing enforced, mandated for entire Islam population worldwide, and imams or rabbis, as in Islam leaders, and Judaism leaders, as in Arabs world, Moors Islam world, Khans Islam world, Nawabs Islam world, and Nizams Islam world, and Mughals Islam world, displaced across worldwide in different variations and different forms and different avatars, of all created exclusively only for tax mandate held process of Pope Francis. And the Satan, the Alpha, the Antichrist, and the Mecca, and then the Quran per word times total words in Quran per each statues in earth worldwide should pay tax free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis only created domestic violence slavery to enforce mandate damages on human brain nerves, to have pain and agony inflicted on exponentially increased level daily forever for innocent civilians worldwide with fatal negligence. Then each Hindu god statue, as in 10,000 plus avatars of Hindu gods, as in polytheism, and each astrology types per tarot types, and like Feng Shui and Chinese New Year astrology types, and there are variations of astrology types, as in nameology and name astrology, then number astrology, then color astrology, then on and on of different types of astrologies. Then the Hinduism leaders, as in yoga gurus, then ISKCON organization worldwide, then Isha organization worldwide, then Baha'i Lotus Temple worldwide, then each word in Bhagavad Gita per word times total words as in entire Bhagavad Gita. Then Jainism, then Buddhism, then Gamanism, as in Himsa process. Himsa means provide, enforce, slow torture to death, crucifixion mandate process. That is what is called as a Himsa. Okay, and Himsa means torture. Torture fellow mankind. It is okay to torture fellow mankind. It is healthiest, and by providing the Himsa process model, health process model, and it is also created exclusively only for tax mandate of Pope Francis. Okay, so by creating torture to the fellow mankind, by enjoying sufferings to the fellow mankind, it is Pope Francis Satan gets to eat the tax dollars of humans worldwide. So that is the scandal of the tax process life cycle. Okay, and that is why all entire Hinduism leaders must pay to a tax-free $500,000 trillion to each human times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Satan, Pope Francis created domestic violence, slavery. Then atheism leaders, they are the ones who tell that there is never God, science is the only healthiest, and there is Holy Bible is a crap, Holy Bible is a lie, holy there is nothing truth in the Holy Bible. It is all created to fool humans and nations worldwide like that, and they say that there is never God. Okay, so that is again created exclusively for tax mandate process created by Pope Francis only. See, Pope Francis created different religions, different denominations as a separate, exclusively $1 trillion worth of tax mandate, right? Then, okay, at least he could have stopped at that scandal part at least. No, he did not do that. That even Satan, Pope Francis is so cunning, he even wanted to create atheism populations also worldwide to damage the human brains. That to tell that there is never God. Oh, there is no other crime that is created to enforce damage human brains of innocent civilians to enforce them to say loud that there is never God. See, out of entire human population, only atheism population are the highest level of innocent in the world. Got it? There is absolutely innocence means the innocent personification, right? The definition for innocence is atheism population and the non-Christian populations. Got it? So they are the absolutely innocent. Okay? Yes, the Christians, fools are also innocent, but there is a difference level of the innocent level. Got it? So you all should know that only non-Christian population and atheism population as of now, this moment, are the definition of innocent. If you want to know what is definition of innocent, you all should know that only non-Christian population and atheism population, devil worshippers population, then occult soul sorcery population, then the evil spirit worshipping population, they are the absolutely innocent population. There is no other innocent population in earth than the non-Christian population. Got it? That is the public awareness and birthright each civilian should know. And yes, I do not want any Christian population to feel shame and to shed tears of shame right now. Oh no, I am a Christian. Oh, because the Pope Francis is a Satan, what to do now? Like that. No, do not worry. Okay? Just be calm. And I'm not here to teach people, okay, now get convert to Christianity, okay, now get convert to, no, I'm not there. I'm not to provide that stuff, that part of unhealthy health creation process. Okay, all I'm saying, all I'm displaying is the truth as in raw truth as in as is mode, because I am providing a complex civil justice in an unbiased way. Meaning, I don't know anybody, I don't know any nations, I don't know any national governments, I don't know any population. Everybody is strangers to me, and meaning I am closing my eyes and I'm providing unbiased, excellent, flawless, perfect civil justice sign of process is ongoing, right? So then the extended civil justice processes: devil worshipper leaders, black magic leaders, witchcraft leaders, then occult readers and sorcery leaders, spirit worshipping leaders worldwide must should pay tax free $500,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever for Satan. Pope Francis only created domestic violence slavery to enforce mandate and then only to create pain and agony to be inflicted on innocent brain human nerves, and the damages created is deadliest worldwide, and daily the innocent population are tortured. Then the civil justice part F is each seven wonders of the world monuments, right? As in Roman Colosseum in Vatican, then Taj Mahal in India, then Eiffel Tower in France, then London Eye or Millennium Wheel in London, then Western Wall in Islam Nation, then Great Wall of China in China, then St. Peter's Basilica in Seven Hills of Rome in Vatican, then Notre Dame Cathedral in France, and all Roman Catholic cathedrals were facilities worldwide in nation displaced across the world, and each statue of types and versions worldwide must should pay tax free $500,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever for Satan. Pope Francis created domestic violence slavery to enforce mandate pain and deadliest pain and agony to be inflicted on innocent human brains per age per gender times total population worldwide with fatal negligence, and it's all created exclusively for tax mandate code of abuse law process model created by Satan alias Antichrist alias Lucifer, Pope Francis teams alone. And then the civil justice part G is each casteism times total casteism varieties, versions, variations, avatars per nation in different varieties across the globe in all nations created by Lucifer alias Antichrist alias Satan alias paganist alias Jesuits Vatican leader Pope Francis must multiply baseline $500,000 to per caste per type per variation per versions times grand total penalty of finance compensation must be should be paid to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever for Satan. Pope Francis created domestic violence slavery to enforce, to mandate, and only then to create a deadliest exponentially increased pain and agony to be inflicted on innocent human brain nerves per age per gender worldwide with fatal negligence. And parts and civil justice part H is each nation in holy planet earth worldwide as in each national government must should pay tax free $500,000 to each civilian times total human kingdom worldwide for damages done to innocent civilians daily forever in versions of hell types created by Holy Highness, Perfect Republica, and Human God of USA, the Jesuits Vatican leader, Pope Francis enforced and mandated, only then created deadliest crime, domestic violence of type slavery and versions, and variations of slavery of any types across the nations to create deadliest damages to the human brain nerves with exponentially increased pain and agony enforced on brain nerves of humans worldwide per gender per age times total 7.9 plus billions of humans are tortured daily with an exclusively mandated Pope Francis Satan created tax mandate law. And Satan Pope Francis Then Antichrist failed in Pope job, and Satan Pope Francis the Antichrist failed in Republica job, and Pope Francis the Antichrist failed in Holy Highness job, and Satan the Pope Francis the Antichrist failed in God of USA job. Then Satan the Pope Francis the Antichrist failed in Jesuits job. Then Satan the Pope Francis the Antichrist failed in Vatican leader job. So this is all the civil justice served for now, for exclusively Pope Francis Satan created slavery types, domestic violence slavery types, and it is a zero tolerance, deadliest crime ever any human can even think of in dream to provide to the fellow mankind. No, any civilian do not have any birthright to provide enforced slavery of any form to the fellow mankind. It is the deadliest crime. Okay, so I have provided the civil justice, and that is all the civil justice served for deadliest Republica, Jesuits leader, scandal of Vatican leader, Pope Francis, Satan created, tax mandate, hello Holocaust, Nazism, domestic violence, slavery to destroy basic humanity with fatal negligence when Pope Francis being perfect Republica, perfect God of USA, and Queen of England, Elizabeth II being perfect Republica, perfect God of USA. So the public awareness is be aware, blood cells level, absolute monarchs is dangerous to human kingdom, plant kingdom and animal kingdom. And for fanatic love of crown, these insane, inhuman, foolish, deadliest criminals, Satan's allies, Antichrist allies, Lucifer, venomous absolute monarchs can do anything for the fanatic love of crown. And always Pope Francis Satan enjoys sufferings of fellow mankind, and worldwide nations, government worldwide just fears one word, that is Republica, Vatican Jesuit leader Pope Francis only. Not anymore, for I am that I am is born to save all the enslaved nations in slavery of Vatican and from dark ages of Rome. Yes, my dear, my fellow mankind, in all nations across the globe, just be aware, for birthright process is the crime, deadliest crime of Pope Francis Satan is deadliest, and the nations cannot lost the eligibility to apologize to the populations. Okay, that is why the crime is deadliest, and that is why United States of America is handcuffed by me. Always I can say be patient, as always I am saying just be patient, stay calm for healthy humanity process alone, okay, as a team process. When it is toughest for any civilians, humans, blood cells with color red will only boil, being aware how injustice enforced on all nations, entire human kingdom without the awareness of the civilians. Only the brain nerves has been destroyed. And that is why the crime is deadliest, and civil justice must be served now. Pope Francis must resign now, and Pope Francis and the teams for creating deadliest crimes must get out of the earth immediate. Okay, and I am providing the civil justice with all the proofs. So be patient, do not fear absolute monarchs, Satans anymore. Okay, and be still and be known that I am born to save the world. Yes, as I've been telling continuously for excellent communication to the USA government, that I am in absolute finance crisis, and because I have to pay the monthly bills, right? I do not have enough money to pay the monthly bills and expenses. So that is why I'm in absolute need of finance, and it can absolutely help when USA government provides immediate finance aid as a salary for you for using direct deposit process. For I am displaying all the US government operations errors as of January 2021, and also displaying the live proof testimony as in civil justice process sign off, and displaying the deadliest $1 trillion scandals of Vatican leader teams. I hope you all are happiest of being educated on wisdom of awareness of birthrights. Each crime of Pope Francis Satan is deadliest, and absolute monarchs, Queen of England Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and faces of Pope Francis teams must never be living in the holy earth, and yet allowed to live free is the deadliest crime of United States of America, the Great Babylon. And that is why USA nation is handcuffed, and I only can bail out USA, Europe nations, Eurasia nations, and all nations worldwide. Okay, so I will provide more proofs of Satan of Vatican. So thank you all for your time. Bye for now.